I think having the Watchfire video board definitely impacts our venue and our students immensely. It adds a whole nother level that I don't think a lot of other schools have. For us especially, we do the hype videos before every game, whether it be the boys basketball, girls basketball, especially inside. We do volleyball inside as well. And then for us, we also do all of our productions on the video board. So you're able to see everything that is happening while the game's going on. We incorporated a fan cam this year to basically help the student section get more involved as well. It has definitely impacted our venue and our students a lot. We chose Watchfire over others because it's easy, it's very accessible. Having the computer right here in our gym and being able to control the video board just with that computer, it's so easy. The display is phenomenal. We're able to do so much with it with just a tiny computer, and I really love that. So we use it in a variety of different ways. Like I said before, for us, we're using it for our live streams, and we're using it for our hype videos. For outside, we're using it for our scoreboards whenever we're not there or anything like that. For our pep rally that we had just a couple weeks ago, we had everything going on the board, and everyone was able to see what was going on. So it really, it's something that the students can be able to do everything, as well as create the graphics, and we've added a whole nother element to everything that we're doing. Yeah, I think having something like this, they're easily ready going into the workforce and everything. I don't know a lot of schools that are doing it the way that we're doing it. I've talked to YSU and stuff like that, and they're so impressed on what we're doing here. We had an ESPN guy come in and actually see one of our productions, and he goes, we're so close to having an ESPN production that he goes, we're so ready to have these kids go on into the workforce. And having the video board, teaching them this, as well as the productions, it's really huge for our program.